everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my first look for my 12 days of Slaymas. I am giving you guys the classic gold lid, wing liner, and red lip. Now this is actually one of my favorite looks to do here and there. I did one last year, but was it last year or the year before? I don't know, but of course, we're not going to worry about that. I may or may not link it down below. We'll see. But here is the 2019 version. So here you guys go. I do like the way that it turned out. So I did make this video a talk through tutorial because I know some of you guys really enjoy my talk through tutorials as well as my voice. So I'm really trying to make sure I get the content that you guys want out there for you guys. So enough about that. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so I have a fresh face. Freshness going on. So this is a talk through tutorial once again, but a couple of the steps I will be speeding through because you guys are familiar with it, and y'all know sometimes I really don't like my videos to be repetitive all the time. But we're going to start on our brows. I am still using the Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner pencil in Simma Brow Now. If you guys would like to see an updated brow tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. But aside from that, I will be using some of my Brush Addict brushes, which I did an unboxing video for you guys, so make sure you guys check that video out. I will link it up here in the cards as well as in the description box. I'll be using the Brush Addict A1114. This is the eyebrow duo, so let's go ahead and fill in these brows. So now I'm going to be using the Hard Candy Glamoflauge concealer. This is in the shade Tan, so it is a very light, which I do like. So I'm going to use that to clean up my brows. Alright, so I'm done with my brows. Had some difficulties today, so you know, they are not perfect. They are not perfect today, but it's fine. It's okay. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and get into the eyes. Today I'm going to be using my Urban Decay and Naked Honey palette. And the shade that I'm going to go in with is going to be Hive right here. So I'm going to use Hive as my transition shade.
Cartel music, 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 cartel music.
So I want to cut the crease a little bit because even though I'm doing a gold lid, I just don't want to slap the gold on my eye. So I'm going to go in with the shade Drip, which is right next to Hive. It's a little bit darker. And I'm going to add that color in my crease. Probably can't really see it on camera, but it is a little bit darker than Hive. And even though it is a little bit darker, it's still able to blend into Hive. So you can't really even tell that I added this color. So now I'm going to go back in with the Hard Candy Glamoflauge concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm going to speed through this because I do have a video on how to cut crease your eyes. So I will link that video down below in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you guys check that out.
Cartel music, 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 cartel music.
Alright, so now we're going to go in with Honey, which is this gold shade. And I'm going to use my Brush Addict A109 brush. And I'm going to put Honey on my lid where I cut the crease. And I'm not swiping it on there. As you guys can see, I'm just tapping it on top of the concealer. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Ultra Pearl Mania. This is loose pigment or something, I don't know, but this is in yellow gold. I'm gonna put a little bit on top of this Honey shade just to give it a pop, a little more pop of gold. Y'all see how much darker that got compared to this? Like, it popped a little bit more. Alright, so you guys know with the classic gold lid with the red lip, you can't forget about the wing liner. So I'm going to be using my E.L.F. liquid eyeliner. And hopefully I get the liners even, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this process as well. I'm trying to get this as sharp as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, but of course before I apply my lashes, I will be using my L'Oreal mascara. The lashes that I'm gonna be wearing today are by Lash 7. I believe the name is Babs. I lost the box with the name, I don't know, but that's what we're gonna work with today. So my lashes are on, so now it's time to apply my foundation. So for today's primer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Hydrate and Smooth Primer. And today's foundation, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless liquid foundation. I did do a review on this foundation, so I will link it down below in the description box as well as in the cards. I did say I was going to give you guys an update, but y'all already pretty much knew from the review that I did like this foundation, so it has really grown on me. I have actually really been using it, but if you guys still want an update about this foundation, then I can go ahead and give it to you guys. But of course, this shade that I am wearing is 60WO, so I'm going to apply that on the back of my hand, and of course I'm using a damp beauty blender. But before I apply the foundation, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so now it's time to highlight. I'm going to also be using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. This is in 60WR. Alright, so now it's time to contour. So I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is in the shade Cocoa. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case Chalk Dust. This is in the shade In. And I'm not going to bake because you guys know I have normal to dry skin. So baking is really not for me. So I'm just going to set under my eyes mainly and around here on my smile lines. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my contour with my Maybelline Fit Me Matteless and Poreless powder. This is in 355 Coconut. Then I'm going to set my entire face with a 330 Toffee. So now it's time to apply my blush and my highlighter. So of course you guys know I'm using the Mary Kay Mineral Cheek Color in Golden Copper for my blush. And then I'm going to go in with the Crayon Case On Roll Highlighter to highlight. Normally I do not highlight like up here with the highlighter, but today we're going to do that. Alright, so I'm not going to do a bottom liner today, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the mascara. And I'm going to go back into my Honey palette, and I'm going to use Hive that I use as a transition shade and just lightly put it under here. I should have did this before my mascara, but it's fine. I do suffer from creasing, so... Well, you know what? It's actually okay that this kind of smudged out the mascara, because it's almost like I applied liner, but I didn't. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Fit Me powder in 330 Toffee. Go back in with the mascara a little bit, since I be doing stuff backwards. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild lip liner. This is in Berry Red, and I'm going to line up my lips. Then I'm going to go in with the Pop Beauty. This is the Permanent Pout Matte Lip Paint. This is in the shade Red Velvet. Did get a PR package of these, so let me know down below in the comments, or give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to do a lip swatch for you guys, because the lipsticks are really, really pretty. I've used 2 so far, so let me know. So we're done with the face. I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. And this is pretty much it for the video. Here is the final look. Real classic gold lid with the wing liner and red lip, but we really did it up with the gold lid. So I really do like the way that it came out. So if you guys love this look and enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you would like more talk through tutorials in the future, please let me know down below in the comments, or of course give this video a thumbs up. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. But anywho, that's it. I will see you guys in my next video.